I'm at Lowe's buying a chain for my icebox.
Oh, shit.
What? A chain for my icebox.
Round the back.
Cause I got this 22-year-old grown ass woman in my house eating up all my food. And she won't eat my cooking. She won't eat my cooking. She wait till I go to sleep late at night and start cooking and burn up all the food. So I'm at Lowe's getting me a chain to put around my icebox. Cause I'm tired of waking up late at night cooking my food, burning all the food up. I'm finna solve that problem. Now I'm at Dollar Tree. Finna buy me a lock. I already bought the chain. I hate to do this, to lock my refrigerator down. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, have to do. I see a lock I can use for my chain, but it's $5. I was really looking for one. Okay, I brought a lock for my deep freezer. She can't go in my icebox. They start cooking 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning no more, burning all my food up. I solved that problem.